Hello, and welcome to Earth and Astronomical Science Online at McKendree University. My name is Stephanie Colby, and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I wanted to start off by saying a hello, give you a little bit of background about myself, and then talk about what are the main components of this course and how you can succeed in this online course. So first thing I want to say is I'm here. Okay, there is a person behind this online course. Although the course is done fairly independently and we might be spread out all over the country or the world, there's always somebody there, okay? It's me. So as you're working through these modules and working through the course, I'm here to help. You can call me, email me, Skype me, ask me questions, talk to me about what you're learning or what you're struggling with. I really am here. So there's a person behind this online course. So who am I? So a little bit about myself. In terms of education, I have a bachelor's degree in physics from the University of Colorado at Boulder. I have my master's degree in physics and astrophysics. I concentrated on astronomy from the University of Wyoming up in Laramie, Wyoming. And I'm currently finishing up my PhD in science education, particularly focusing on perceptions and online science education. And I'm completing that through Curtin University. So just like you, I'm also studying and working, and I just love teaching, and I love teaching this course. I have a real passion for astronomy and earth science. These really are my passions, and I hope that I can help convey this passion for these two sciences through you and with you in this course. That's really one of my main goals, is to kind of show you how awesome these sciences are and hopefully get your interest sparked a little bit as well. So in terms of exploring these sciences in this class, we're going to cover some of the main content in both earth science and astronomy, and you'll notice the course is kind of split in two. We're going to start out with earth science and then move right into astronomy, but the whole time we're going to be linking the sciences together and really exploring the sciences not only in the content, but also in terms of what's happening in the real world concerning these two branches of sciences. So one of my main goals in this course is not only to help guide you through the content, but also to help us explore what's happening in these sciences today, right now. So you'll see throughout the course we're going to talk a lot about current news or new missions to different either planets or to the asteroids, or we're going to talk about new mining developments or some new things we've discovered in earth science. Maybe talk about climate a little bit, a lot about the water cycle and the rock cycle. We're going to cover a lot. It's going to be really fun. So in terms of what you need to do to prepare for this course, you're in the right spot. You're in the course orientation. So take some time to read through the course orientation. Start by downloading and reading the syllabus. Everything you need to know is in that syllabus. First, after you've read the syllabus, the next thing you want to do is order your textbook right away. We are in an 8-week course that is covering a full 16-week worth of material. So we are working fast, okay? I've devised the material so that we work at a constant pace, and so you will be busy, but I think I've maintained it down to a level that it's capable of we all doing. Okay, but it is 16 weeks worth of credit in course, smashed into 8 weeks. So we are moving quite quickly. We're going to be covering about 2 to 3 chapters every week. So there is quite a bit of reading to do each week. So with that in mind, you need your textbook right away because we start right away. Okay, our first week is right away. So order your textbook. You can order it online, on Amazon, get a used textbook. The university bookstore has a textbook. However you want to get this textbook, get it. I have an older edition of this textbook for this class right now. There is a newer edition, but I keep the older edition because not much has changed, and hopefully it's a little bit cheaper, and you can get it maybe used, okay? You can also do an e-textbook, rent a textbook online. There's plenty of options. There's also 2 copies of the textbook at the Holman Library on the Lebanon campus. So if you are on the Lebanon campus, that's an option for your textbook. So what's going to happen throughout this course? There's modules. There's 8 modules covering the 8 weeks. Within each module, it's structured the same. So for each module, you're going to have an introduction video from me. You're going to have a reading guide. These reading guides are really there to help you, so use those. So you read. You'll have a discussion board where you're going to interact with other students. You're going to have a homework assignment, and then you're going to have a weekly quiz. And that's going to be the same every week in every module. Okay, so you'll have that consistency. There's one major project we have for this class, which is kind of your accumulating project. It's a current news research article project. And it's a small little research project where what you're going to do is you're going to research the current news in earth science and astronomy, summarize it, and then really dig into how the sciences are connected and how they work together and are related to daily life. And that's kind of a final project you're going to do, and you can learn more about that on the current news assignment page. That's kind of your culminating project. But what I've done is I've assigned you each a different week throughout the course. That way we can learn about the current news and these sciences throughout the entire term. And we're even going to post these on Facebook so you can keep learning about these throughout the course and even beyond the course through the course Facebook page, okay? So what you'll need to do is when you look at the course assignment for the current news assignment, you'll see you've been assigned a week, either week 2, week 3, week 4, week 5, or week 7, and that's the week that you'll do your project and submit it for the class, okay? So we'll keep learning about the sciences together through this. All right, so now that you've gone through this brief introduction video, I want you to go ahead and explore through the course, click through all the links, and first thing I want you to click on is the discussion board forum. Go into the discussion board forum. This is where you're going to do your discussion boards each week, but I've included an icebreaker discussion. This is where I want us to get to know each other, create a little bit of an online community with each other. So I've already written a little introduction on myself. I'd like you to write an introduction. Tell us what you like to do, who you are, what your family is, where you are. Maybe include a picture. It'd be really nice to have a visual aspect so we can kind of create this online community and work together throughout the next 8 weeks. So I'm really looking forward to getting to know all of you a little bit better, and I just can't wait to explore the earth science and astronomy subject matter with you guys and learn together about what's happening in these sciences. All right, so go ahead and go through the rest of the course orientation, and you'll see me again in the video in Module 1. And all throughout the course, please contact me if you ever want to talk or need some help. All right, enjoy the course.